High in the fluffy white sky, a little cloud named Puff drifted along, but Puff wasn't feeling quite right. He was supposed to meet his cloud friends for a rainy afternoon playdate, but he'd gotten separated from the morning breeze. Now, all alone, he drifted over unfamiliar mountains and babbling brooks. A tear, sparkling like glitter, thanks to a sprinkle of sunshine mixed in, rolled down Puff's cheek. Suddenly, a tiny voice chirped, "Whoa. What's—" Puff looked down to see a bright red ladybug with 7 black spots perched on a sunflower. "Hi there," Puff boomed. "I'm Puff and I seem to be a little lost." "Lost? Well, that's no good," chirped the ladybug. "I'm Luna, and I know these mountains like the back of my tiny ladybug hand. Where are you trying to get to?" Puff explained about his lost rainy playdate. Luna tilted her head, her antennae twitching thoughtfully. A rainy playdate," she said. "I think I can help. Follow me." Luna led Puff on a grand adventure, soaring over meadows filled with wildflowers and dipping down to greet playful butterflies. Finally, they reached a valley filled with fluffy white clouds, all giggling and splashing in puddles of rainwater. "My friends," Puff cried out with joy. He splashed in puddles with his friends, and Luna, who loved a good puddle splash too, joined in the fun. Even though Puff got lost, he made a new friend and learned that sometimes getting a little turned around can lead to the best adventures.